Hi, it's Elizabeth Van Riper again from Michael Saunders' Main Street office downtown. I'd like to share with you some of the conversations we've had in our office with our MSC Mortgage manager, Megan Kendrick, about what's happening in the mortgage market and interest rates.
So this is such a good time to enter the market because although rates will come down in the future, prices will probably start to go up, would be my guess. What we're anticipating is perhaps a half a point drop, quarter point drop this year, and a slow trickle downward, which means that it's not going to be like we wake up one morning and rates are going to be low. So don't let a rate prohibit you from making an offer, because I really believe once they do start to lower rates, a lot of those buyers who are sitting on the sidelines waiting will be entering, and then that competition piece will really come into play.
Again,
yes. So if you're a buyer, buy now to negotiate the price and the type of property that you want. Just as a quick example, there was a couple that I pre-approved a year ago who were a little disappointed with the price point they could go to. They couldn't find anything. They re-entered a year later, could qualify for a little bit more because their finances had improved a bit. And in addition to that, the houses that are available now versus what was available a year ago is night and day. So it's a really good time to look at what's available, to assess your needs, and whether you're a cash buyer and you want to preserve your cash, or you're a first-time buyer, it's an excellent time to make that investment. It's a long-term asset. You cannot go wrong.
I think what is so palpable about it is when we look at some of the numbers. In 2020, we had 29 active listings. It went down to about 921. And then slowly has been creeping up, and this year we have 6,000 properties on the market. So those of you who came down year after year for your annual vacation and property exploration, we had very little to show you and you got discouraged. Now is not a time that you will be discouraged. There's a wide array of quality properties out there for you. Don't hesitate to reach out to me, Elizabeth Van Riper, 941-993-6842.
Megan Kendrick, 941-704-9811.